Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss the Money Manager X. We will see if it is the best budgeting app or not. If you're into financing and want to budget your business or maybe for your personal stuff, then in this video, I'll show you how it could be possible with Money Manager X. So first, if you want to access this platform, you have to go to its website, which is moneymanagerx.org, and you will be onto this page. It says free, easy to use personal finance software. So it explains with its tagline. It has so many valuable features that could be used for personal financing, for budgeting, for your business, or maybe just by maintenance of your assets. So we will discuss all of them one by one. You can create multiple accounts easily using a setup wizard, and it supports different currencies for better flexibility and control. It tracks all income and expenses in one clear view. You can filter, search, and sort to manage your money better. You can organize your spending by adding categories and pays. This helps you know where your money goes and who gets paid. You can set up future transactions like rent or subscriptions. They will automatically repeat based on your chosen schedule. Track your stock investments alongside your daily finances. It is great for seeing the full picture of your money. It adds assets like cars or property and track their value. You can adjust their worth yearly or leave it unchanged. You can set yearly or monthly budgets to track spending and compare your actual expenses with budget goals using reports. You can attach files like receipt, contracts, or invoices to your entries, and it keep all related documents organized inside the app. You can create custom reports using SQL, HTML, or LUA. View them alongside built-in reports for better financial insights. You can export and import data in different files like CSV or HTML formats and make switching from or backing up other apps hassle-free. It supports over 30 languages for the interface. Docs are also available in 8 major languages worldwide. It works on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Android, so you can even build it for other systems using open source code. It's completely free to use with no ads or upsells. You can access and modify the source code anytime. Your financial data is stored locally and can be encrypted, gives you control without depending on cloud servers. It syncs your database manually via Dropbox, Google Drive, etc., and it lets you back up and share across devices securely. If you're wondering how to use it, so first you have to install it. You can install it in Windows in your mobile phone like Apple or maybe Android. And once you have installed it, you create a database file and start adding accounts like your bank or cash wallet. Then you log transactions as they happen. There is no bank sync, so it's best for people who prefer manual tracking and control. You can categorize each transaction, add tags or notes, and run reports anytime. The Android app lets you record transaction on the go. Then you can export and sync it with your desktop using CSV files or Dropbox. The platform has both pros and cons. The pros are it is completely free and open source, no ads, no subscription, lightweight and fast, great for manual budgeting lovers, and it works on desktop and Android, and data stays offline and private. The cons are no automatic bank sync, interface is functional but outdated, no iOS app. You can actually have it on the Mac, but there is no app available for the Apple. So is MoneyX the best budgeting app? So if you want a private distraction-free tool that focuses on clear financial tracking, so this is the one of the best open source options for you. But if you need auto signing with banks or a slick mobile experience, you might want to explore apps like YNAB or Pocket Guard. Now, choosing it all depends on your preferences. We have discussed everything about it. Now, it's up to you if you want to go with this app or not. So, I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.